Hi viewers, today our class about the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. In last class we have discussed about the structure, morphological structure of the endoplasmic reticulum and the types of the endoplasmic reticulum. Now functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is an important cell organelle which is present in the cytoplasm. The name endoplasmic reticulum given by the Porter. According to Porter, the endoplasmic reticulum is spreaded between the plasma membrane and nuclear membrane. That means the cell, most of the cytoplasm is covered by the endoplasmic reticulum. So now what are the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum? First one, we know about the major function of the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulums are two types, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The chief function of the rough endoplasmic reticulum, that is protein synthesis. Rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in the protein synthesis because it contains the ribosomes, where the sister name form of the endoplasmic reticulum is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. It can help in the synthesis of proteins due to the presence of ribosomes. Then second one, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The chief function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that is, it can help in the synthesis of lipids. It helps in the lipid synthesis. And also the second function already we know about that is a detoxification of the cells. It can break down the toxic material inside the cell. That is the work of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And also here it can help in the synthesis of polysaccharides. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the formation or synthesis of polysaccharides in the cell. These are the major functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. Not only this, some other functions also found in the cell by the endoplasmic reticulum. What are those functions? See, fifth one. The endoplasmic reticulum is spreaded from the nuclear membrane to plasma membrane. It is formed as a tubular structure, a reticulate manner in the cytoplasm. It gives the mechanical strength to the cells. It forms as the skeleton. It forms as the skeleton. It gives a frame of the cell. It can form as a frame-like structure in the cytoplasm. It gives the mechanical support to the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum is given that means the endoplasmic reticulum started from the nucleus, which can help in the synthesis of proteins. It can supply the proteins to all the cell organelles. The endoplasmic reticulum supplies the proteins and lipids to the remaining cell organelles which are present inside the cell. That means transportation of lipids and proteins in the cell. That means it is connected to all the cell organelles. Then next, the tubular structures of the endoplasmic reticulum, which is present near to the plasma membrane, which is formed as the plasmadesmata, which can connect to the surrounding cells. That means the endoplasmic reticulum connected inside the cell and outside of the cell also. So it can help in the formation of the plasma to connect the other cells, connect the other surrounding cells. Then next one. Some of the scientists said that the nuclear membrane is generated or synthesized from the endoplasmic reticulum. That means the endoplasmic reticulum gives the nuclear membrane. It can help in the formation of nuclear membrane. Then next, the endoplasmic reticulum can change into other form. That means the rough endoplasmic reticulum change into smooth endoplasmic reticulum. After the maturation, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum can convert into the Golgi complex. Golgi complex. Then the Golgi complex can use the primary lysosomes. So here the endoplasmic reticulum helps in the formation of the Golgi complex and primary lysosomes. That means it gives the another cell organelles inside the cell. Not only this, the endoplasmic reticulum also helps in the formation of the cell plate during the cell division. We know about that. During the cell division, the two nuclei are separated. After the separation of nuclei, that means karyokinesis takes place here. Between the two nuclei, there is a specific tubular structures are formed. This is called as cell plate. This cell plate is formed with the help of the endoplasmic reticulum. Golgi complex and endoplasmic reticulum both are helps in the formation of the cell plate, that is the middle lamella of the cell. So that means endoplasmic reticulum is helps in the formation of the middle lamella, or it is also called as cell plate. This is another function of the endoplasmic reticulum. And some more, that is the endoplasmic reticulum is helps in the transportation of the genes. The endoplasmic reticulum is transport during the cell division. The nuclei are separated, the DNA are separated. So the separation of the nucleoplasm, separation of the chromosomes, separation of the genes takes place by the activity of the endoplasmic reticulum. Next, the endoplasmic reticulum acts as the osmotic property. We know about what is osmosis. The plasma membrane shows the regulator of the transportation of the ions. That is called as osmotic property. That is a semi-permeable membrane. As same as the plasma membrane, the endoplasmic reticulum, the membranes of the endoplasmic reticulum also can regulate the transportation of minerals. That means it can show the property of osmosis. So it can regulate the transportation of the material. How? This endoplasmic reticulum can help in the formation of the Golgi complex and next lysosomes. These lysosomes are helps in the digestion of the material which is enter into the cell. After the digestion of those material, the waste material is transported to the plasma membrane. That plasma membrane excrete the waste material. That means the lysosomes are formed from the Golgi complex. The Golgi complex can generated from the endoplasmic reticulum. That means the exocytosis, that means excretion of the waste material from the cell, is called as exocytosis. The exocytosis takes place by the activity of the lysosomes and plasma membrane. That means indirectly the endoplasmic reticulum can helps in the exocytosis of the cell. Then next, here the endoplasmic reticulum contain the more enzymes. That means it can contain the number of enzymes which can helps in the metabolic activity. Those are ATPase and reductase like enzymes. Like for example, ATPase and reductase like a number of enzymes are present in the endoplasmic reticulum. Those enzymes can help in the metabolic activity of the cell, so that the endoplasmic reticulum is very rich in the consisting of the enzymes. Those regulate the metabolic activities. So these are the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Thank you very much.